What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your first $200 a day and up in 2018. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. So yeah guys, the platform we're going to be using to promote our Clickbank affiliate offers is with YouTube. Now I'm going to show you guys a little more different strategy you can utilize with YouTube, because I get a lot of people that email me, that DM me, that really ask me, how can I make a product review of something that's not too saturated because most of the Clickbank products already have enough reviews on them, or how can I actually get ranked on the first page of YouTube without having too much competition. And the method I'm going to show you guys today is actually going to help you guys literally become 10 steps ahead of your competition and get you ranked on the first page of YouTube pretty much without any other competition. And so the method I'm going to show you guys actually involves reviewing Clickbank products before they're actually released, okay? And you guys may be wondering, how do you promote a Clickbank product without it even being on the Clickbank website? And so the website we're going to be utilizing for this is actually muncheye.com. It's essentially a website that literally lists every single Clickbank product along with every other affiliate network's affiliate product launches. And so the power of this website is that you can literally rank your product on the first page of YouTube before anyone even has their hands on that product. And so I'm going to show you guys a little bit about this website. So you can see that it has all the launches right here and the big launches as well. And you're going to see right off the bat, you're going to see a bunch of JVZoo, Clickbank, Warrior Plus, all popular affiliate networks that show what's going to be released on this launch calendar. And right off the bat, you guys are going to see the very first Mark Ling's profit engine product is from Clickbank. And so this product is essentially is making affiliate products with paid traffic. So this is essentially a code from Clickbank for affiliate marketing. And so you're going to see that it has the JV page right here. And this is its landing page. And so for those of you who don't actually know who Mark Ling is, he's essentially one of the world's most known affiliate marketers out there. Like, he's been able to sell one of the most popular products on the affiliate marketplace on Clickbank, affiliate courses to sell worldwide. And for those of you who don't know what kind of product I'm talking about, it's actually this product called Affiliarama. And this is actually one of his older affiliate marketing products that literally has been one of the biggest courses I've taken. And it has a lot of valuable information in it, but this is probably the most popular product he's ever sold, but it is a little outdated in my opinion. But that's probably why he's selling this course right here. And you're gonna see that he has the release of the product here. It has the pre-launch, the first live cast. So the first live cast was actually today for this product. So this is a product that probably has a lot of reviews on it just because it's been released, but you're going to see that this is a very high demand product because of the reputation that this guy has behind his name. And so what you guys can do is actually review this product since it's a brand new product on the marketplace. And so what we can do is actually go to youtube.com and you guys can actually type in Mark Ling. Okay, and you're going to see right off the bat, people already have reviews on this product, right? And the thing about these products is that they already have a ton of views on them. Like this channel right here posted it 2 weeks ago and he already has 1,000 views on his channel with only 76 subscribers. Money is awesome. He already has almost 1,000 views on this one product for a profit engine. So, there's no doubt about this product is legit, but I just want to show you guys the power of leveraging this website called Muncheye that literally will give you the affiliate product before it's even released. And so, you guys may be wondering, it's probably too competitive now, or there's probably way too many reviews out there, so it's going to be impossible to rank. Well, the thing that I recommend you guys do is actually, one way you can actually boost your search results on YouTube is actually going on SEO Clerks. Website. It's essentially a website that helps you guys rank on YouTube with your content that you're posting, and this is going to give you a way better advantage over your competition because essentially people aren't sharing it to make their video go viral every other platform that they can, right? So what I recommend you guys type in on SEO Clerks is SEO Signals. Okay, and you're going to see a wide variety of different services that they offer to help rank your videos, help rank your website, help rank your content. And what this does is it sends out the link that you give them, and what they do is actually promote it on a wide variety of different platforms to literally help put your link in front of multiple different new people. That way it increases your chances of actually boosting your search results and increasing the amount of sales that you get with your affiliate product, right? So, I mean, you're going to see a wide variety of different services that promise you like 100,000 social signals, but those are the ones I kind of stay away from. I mean, you should be able to tell which ones are kind of not really worth the money. I mean, one way that I could tell is the ratings of the product, and you can also just see what they kind of post on their listings. Like this one looks more legit because it's not, you know, it's not a ridiculously high number that is promising you like 100,000 views. And if it does, that would still be bad for your website or YouTube video that you're promoting, because if Google senses that you're getting like a whole bunch of different traffic sources at a huge rate, then they're most likely not going to allow that, and they might report it as spam, and that's just going to lessen your chances of getting your video out there. So, you know, I would go with one that is actually not too big of an audience and that has pretty stable ratings on its listing, like 13,000, that's not too bad, or maybe 3,000 right here. This one actually looks the most legit. And so, yeah, guys, just stay away from the ones that are saying, you know, 100,000 social signals, because most likely that's going to end up giving you a bad result with your YouTube videos or your websites. But yeah, guys, so back to the product here. I mean, you can see that what you would want to do before the product even releases is register your name and register as an affiliate. And you can see right off the bat, you know, this guy really has a lot of things that he has to offer with this product. Like he has cash giveaways, prizes you can win, and you can see he lists the prizes here. So you can actually win a Emperor workstation, you can win, you know, an arcade, you can win an iMac. I mean, you can even win a car for being an affiliate for this product. So I mean, so you literally have nothing to lose with this product right here, and that's the whole reason why I recommend you guys actually use this website called Muncheye, because it literally will help you get that competitive advantage, not only with ranking your videos and website, but actually getting more traffic to your videos before anyone else. Because if you're the first one to actually review this product, right? This guy right here that posted it 2 weeks ago, he already has 1,000 views on this product, because essentially, you know, the early bird catches the worm. So, and you can see a little more videos right here. You could see Gary Kramer promoting it right here on his videos. And if you guys don't know who he is, he's essentially an affiliate marketer as well. But I mean, if all these other legitimate people are promoting this product, then I mean, you can see right off the bat it's a very reputable and legitimate product that they're promoting. And so, you know, they have their affiliate links right here, and they give a call to action, and then we can also this video. And so, you know, figure out what kind of tags they're ranking for, because that's going to help you guys in the long run to actually help boost your video rankings as well. So I mean, you can see right here, you know, I would put Mark Ling as a tag, Profit Engine as a tag. You know, people really underestimate the power of YouTube, because, you know, even a small channel like his, he still gets people to actually view these videos. And these are all people reviews on this video. And so the thing I wanted you guys to get out of this video today is having that competitive advantage with this website called Muncheye. And you can see, you know, I recommend you guys check out products that are like 2 weeks in advance before they release, because that's kind of the average time that most people aren't actually dishing out content during that time period. Is, you know, 2 weeks before the product's released. You know, so I would make sure you guys have your calendars marked for like July 5th for Fred Lamb's print profits. I mean, there's a bunch of different products on here already that are literally listed and waiting for you guys to actually review them and start generating some affiliate sales. So that's what I wanted to show you guys here today. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, guys, take care.